Hey friends, welcome back to Afrofusion Foods. So today we're making this delicious chicken recipe which you would love. It was absolutely great. So now I have the chicken which has been washed with lime or the lemon. So there I added some herbs vinegar. So I'm coming in here with salt, and I'll be adding some pepper and red bell pepper. I'm coming in there with garlic. That is my herbs and spices. And I'm adding some tomato paste, and I added some flavored oil, which is the pumpkin oil. Then we put it to cook and on low heat. So now we try to marinate it very well. Marinate it for a few minutes. Then when it is well marinated, you transfer and then you put it in your oven to get well grilled. So this is the result of it. I tell you, it tasted just like the one you would eat at your restaurant. It's really nice, and I hope you would love it. I paired it here with rice, some jollof, African jollof rice. Please do well to comment, like and subscribe. I hope you're enjoying my various videos. Please watch them and share. Bye bye.